Hello champions, welcome to Block Factory. Let's go. First of all, we need to select a piece dispenser, which is right there. I have to place it right there. We are going to be crafting those pieces. Our goal right there, as you can see, is to craft mossy rocks. Let's go. We need to bring them to the altar. So, let's go to the movement. Let's select the conveyor. We need to draw this long line right there. And as you can see, we're delivering the figurine into the altar. Now we need to wait for it to arrive. Let's speed it up. The production. Good. As you can see right where I keep getting coins, which I can use for upgrades or better machines. Our next goal is Algae. This is how it looks like. And first of all, we need to place some piece dispensers once again. Let's go. Here's another one, and here's the other one. As you can see, both two are needed to form half of a part. And what are we going to do now is to place the stacker. Let's go. The stacker is right there. As you can see, let's place it on this glowing field. We build it, and right there we need some movement. What I'm going to do is to place conveyors right there again. Finally, we need to build the conveyor from our piece dispenser again. So let's build it. As you can see, those figurines arrived to the stacker. We need to configure it. And as you can see, we need to make the figure which is portrayed in the top left corner. First of all, we need to grab this piece and this one to move on the top. Like this. As you can see right there, you definitely match this, guys. If you put it like this, that will be wrong. So keep that in mind. Let's go, let's save it. Now we need to complete the figurine, and we are going to do it by placing another stacker right there. In order to connect those, we need to use the conveyor once again. Then we need to generate a splitter so those figurines would be able to go to the other part of the stacker as well. We need to configure it again. And this time, as you can see, we need to place these figures right there. If I place like this, that's wrong. So we need to rotate it like that, but place it on the top, obviously. Let's go. Let's save. Finally, by using the conveyor belts, we are going to place this figure to the altar. So let's go, let's make this process right there. As you can see right there, I have to draw the conveyor belt once again. Let's speed it up the production. And right there it will show us if it's correct or not. And as you can see right there, those are green ticks instead of red crosses. Meaning what the figure built is right. Now we go to the next goal, and it's to build a starfish right there. For it I'll need 1 S blocks and 2 OS blocks. And the first step to achieve that is to find them on the map. Let's see, alright, so I already found them. Here is the OS 1x3. If I want to be sure, I can check it out right there, guys. Yes, that matches. Now I need to place a piece dispenser. Let's go. And now I have to find 1x1s blocks too. And as you can see, one of them is right there, guys. Let's put piece dispenser once again. And here's 1x1s piece again. And I'm going to place another piece dispenser once again, guys. Let's go with that. Now, obviously, I need to go with the conveyor belt. Let's go. Let's select it right there. We need to draw some lines again. We are going to go through right there. But let's continue expanding it. Let's build a conveyor up right there as well. And finally we will build a conveyor, guys, from right there as well. Let's develop it right there. What I can do is to actually build a gluing machine. Let's place it right there. Right, I need to go with the conveyor up right there. What we are going to do is to glue those two together. Right where I have to go with configuration again. Alright, but first of all, let's take a look at this. Alright, so I have to place it like that. Let's go. Let's put it right there, and let's put another piece right there, guys. As you can see, it's not the full one, but right there, let's save. I have to make a conveyor from right there as well. Let's actually delete those guys over there. I do not need them to go up there. Let's see. And right there I have to place another gluer, guys. Let's go with it right there. And what I want to do is to draw the conveyor lines again. Let's go. And let's go right there as well. Finally, we need to go to configure it out. Alright, but as you can see, those blocks were put wrongly. So that we can undo it by pressing X's. And we're able to fix the conveyor ones again. Alright, finally, as you can see, those blocks have arrived. Finally, we will be able to configure it out. Let's go. Let's go like this, guys. Alright, well, I have to rotate this piece. Let's go. Let's glue it right there. Finally, I have to deliver it to the altar. And I'm going to do it by going to the movement screen. And drawing the conveyor ones again. Let's go. Let's go right there, guys, and finally put it into the altar. Let's go. Alright. Let me know if you want to see me developing the turtle as well.